Everyone. So today we will discuss about Kyndryl. Actually, recently we have got the news IBM is divided into two parts, right? So let me describe the meaning of this IBM spin-off because lot of confusion is going on. So whoever worked in IBM, I think they pretty much aware IBM was running. There are two major components like a GBS and GTS. So in the GBS, basically the application outsourcing project was running, and under the GTS, infrastructure managed service project. So whatever the infrastructure projects that comes under GTS. So what IBM decided actually, so IBM decided we can remove this GTS as a self organization, independent organization, that's called, and that given to new name like a Kyndryl. So Kyndryl is just a part of GTS actually. Okay, so it's a self-independent organization, and so the now the meaning is why this spin-off is happened actually. So what IBM decided, we are not going to work on infrastructure projects because IBM have taken the decision we work only for the artificial intelligence or a hybrid cloud. Okay, that comes under GBS. So whatever the infrastructure project was under the GTS, it will come to Kyndryl because it's a self-independent organization. So spin-off is already going on. After this year, December 2021, it will be completely on a Kyndryl. Okay, it's already started. People are getting hired already. Spin-off process is already going on. Okay. So now the point is, what is the base value actually? What is the revenue? If you go with this slide, let me open one slide. If you can see, so what IBM did it actually 59 billions it comes under IBM, and 19 billions it's given to the new core. So new core now is a Kyndryl. It's given name to Kyndryl Managed Infrastructure Service Company. Okay, so now Kyndryl itself is a 19 billion company. It's a very big organization, right? So whatever the existing projects in the under the GTS, it will come to the new core Kyndryl. Okay, now the point is, can we join? Whoever getting the offer to Kyndryl, can we join to Kyndryl or not? As per my assumption, yes, we can join because whatever the brand value was there in IBM, it's the same going to replicate to the Kyndryl because whatever the top management was there, that top management level people is hired for Kyndryl, and new CEO came to Kyndryl actually. So whatever the existing client it's there, that is there, and they are now going to explore the new things. Actually, there are no foundation. Earlier, what was the foundation? Only under the GTS they are forced to use the IBM stuff only. Now they have self-independent organization, right? So they can take the decision. We will use the other cloud also, other technology also, not only for the IBM. So it will be more opportunity in a Kyndryl in a future coming years, right? And start is very high because it's a 19 billion company compared to other service based company. If you compare with the Wipro and all, so it's too high in terms of revenue. Okay, and brand value already existed by IBM, so maybe it will give the good start for Kyndryl. Okay, and the now terms of the process and all, so whatever the process was there in IBM, same process implemented to Kyndryl. There are no changing at all. So if you are getting the offer, so if you it's like whatever the process was there for the IBM, same benefit you will get in a Kyndryl as well. Okay, same kind of, but there is no change at all in a Kyndryl. Okay, now the point is, second point, can we explore the new opportunity in a Kyndryl actually, because it's a newly established company. Yes, we can, because now as I said, Kyndryl is going to exploring the market. Now they don't have any dependency to IBM actually. To IBM cannot force them to use my technology only, because now they have a self-independent organization, so they can use the other stuff as well. Okay, so this is the one of the benefit. People can learn more new things in a Kyndryl. And if you see this, now the point is why IBM did suddenly these things. Actually, if you go in a back history of IBM actually this kind of things did in a past also. If you recall it, in I think I forget the years, but the ThinkPad, what they did, they have decided I will not work on a hardware portion, so they have sold it actually to Lenovo, right? The IBM ThinkPad was there, they have sold it actually. They said I will not work on a hardware, so they have sold it. So this kind of decision happened in the past also in IBM. So there are no harmful, because why they did it actually, they are not able to manage such a big organization with a 5 lakhs employee and this kind of setup. So that's the reason they have split off in a 2 portion, and now Kyndryl is going to self-independent organization. So if you are getting opportunity in Kyndryl, you can accept it. Just make sure don't confuse if you are thinking you are, because sometimes it's written like IBM Kyndryl, so you need to focus on that. If you are thinking joining it in a IBM and your offer is in a Kyndryl, so you need to discuss with your HR, be carefully. If you're in your mind is joining in a IBM and you are getting offer from the Kyndryl. So there are two things is happening nowadays. It's happened. Few people was thinking I am going to join IBM, and suddenly they got offer from the Kyndryl. So make sure while discussing with the HR and all, need to clear on those things for the joining purpose. So hope you got the points. What is this actual meaning of spin-off? Don't worry, actually Kyndryl also will do the good things, and it will create a more opportunity for us actually, so we can join happily. It will be good because 19 billion start is too high actually, right? So it will establish a new market in India, hopefully. Let's see. Bye guys.